Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to the Pixlr app. So let's dive right in. Find the Pixlr app, now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, here you can find the option of text button right here. Now select it. Then type the font whatever you would like to add to your photo and tap on to next. Now you can also add the fonts to your text and you can also change the color of your text just like this. And that's it. This is how you can add fonts to your photos in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple process, right? Now add as much as text that you would like to add to your photo. Now enjoy editing and adding beautiful fonts and text to your photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.